Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have here a brand new to our used inventory, a 2021 FXBBS, a Street Bob special with a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine in Redline red, 6-speed transmission, and super light. We got compared to other touring vehicles that have 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, this thing takes off. LEDs in the front. Rubber fork mounts. We have the hard blacked out finish on the whole vehicle and blacked out wheels. Aluminum cast. Blacked out Mini-Ape handlebars. One fob, one key for the security system on here. Upgraded grips. Shout out to the previous owner. These are great. Harley-Davidson Motorcycle Company makes them. Cable clutch, 3.1 gallon fuel tank, holding gasoline, 91 and above. And we have a stock exhaust and breather, although the breather is quite upgraded. In general, we have the solo seat and passenger pillion, again stock, and Brembo brakes. One in the front, one in the rear. We have the halogen lights, belt-driven final drive, and the derb cover saying 114. Passenger pegs are there, battery tender right in there. Great vehicle. Great vehicle. Let's turn her on for you. We do have a moderately high mileage, especially for the year. Say 2021 with 7,500 miles. It's going to be 7,499 to be exact. RPM is going to be about 1400. Now throttle is going to sound quite muted due to the stock exhaust. Not too much to hear there from the stock exhaust, but thank you for watching. Please come on by for a test ride today. This pony picks up. It is an amazing vehicle. Come on by. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below on where you would go with this FXBBS Street Bob from 2021. Thanks so much.